They sold my room while I was in the hospital. The ones I thought would take care of me were too busy dividing up what's left to bother with my own belongings. My daughter whispered something to her husband as they came into my room to pick through the few things that are still mine. They didn't even have the decency to shut the door behind them. I've been sleeping on a cot in the hallway, trying not to take up too much space. It's hard to explain how it feels to be treated like this. Like I'm a burden, a relic from another era. The hospital room is small and bright, with machines beeping and people rushing around. It's a world away from my own home, where the smell of fresh-baked cookies used to fill the air. I've lost track of time. Days blend together as I lie here, waiting for someone to come and visit. But no one does, not even my children. They're too busy arguing over who gets what piece of the pie. The nurses come in regularly to check on me, but they don't stay long enough to talk. I used to be a good mother. I cooked meals from scratch, mended their clothes by hand, and attended every school play. But now, it seems like all that work was for nothing. They've forgotten how to treat each other with kindness, let alone me. The silence between us is deafening. Sometimes, in the quiet moments when no one's around, I remember what it used to be like. I recall the laughter, the tears, and the long conversations late at night. Those were the days when I felt like I mattered, when my children looked up to me with admiration and gratitude. I've started writing things down. Not just my thoughts, but also recipes, stories from my childhood, and poems. It's become a way for me to hold onto my memories, to keep them safe from the ones who are trying to erase me. The hospital room may be small, but my mind is still expanding. I'm filling up every corner with words like a painter coloring in her canvas. I've decided to sell my house. It's not just a place, it's a piece of our history together. But they don't deserve it anymore. They don't deserve me. As soon as I can, I'll get out of this hospital and start making new memories, ones that won't be tainted by their indifference. They haven't called since. But they say my name when they pray.